Hello everyone. My son and I just went to see one of my suppliers in this tall building behind me. 1 second. Let's get it into view. You can't see, but that. Alright? And we're up on the 36th floor. And then coming back down, there was a guy came to the lift and he pressed the button with his keys, his car keys. And then he got his alcohol hand sanitizer and sprayed the key.
Makes no sense.
And my son's confused.
Makes no sense.
An otherwise intelligent person. That's what fear does. Fear. Fear when you're scared. Okay? It makes you insane! But go touch things with your keys and then spray your keys, okay? Too scared to touch. Live your life like that. Good on you. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Wear your masks. Bye-bye.